If you are in search for the best wallpapers for Android or iPhone, and if requirements are high resolution and high variety of unique wallpapers, then you are on the right place, despite if you have a notch on your Android or iPhone. This wallpaper app works on every smartphone. From my experience, by far, this is one of the best wallpaper app. It offers wallpapers which you won't find anywhere else. It doesn't matter if you own an iPhone or Android smartphone. It works on both platforms. This is my only app which I use for my wallpaper dose. Wally is an app which will grow to you really fast. Every wallpaper is unique and it will fit your Android phone or opposite to it, iPhone device perfectly. With notch or without it, who cares? Wally will handle it. Every wallpaper has its own story behind it from its own creator. Just pick a category or just quickly take one from popular tab. I confidently recommend you Wally as main wallpaper source, and I guarantee you won't regret it. Click that subscribe button and never miss a new video. To always stay updated, turn on bell icon. Until next time, cheers!